Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this tutorial, we're talking about message packs, the simple way to make sure your customer notifications never run out. By default, Zeo gives each driver 250 messages every month completely free to send live locations to customers no matter what plan the user is on. But what happens if you've got a busy month, more routes than usual, or a lot of customer updates going out? You could run out of messages before the month is over. And when that happens, your automation stops sending until the next refill. That's where message packs come in. They're like a top-up for your notifications, giving you extra messages you can use right away so your updates keep flowing without interruption. Buying a message pack is easy. From your dashboard, click on Add-ons. Scroll until you see the message pack section. Here, you can choose exactly how many extra messages you need, whether it's 500, 1,000, 2,000, or even 4,000. Click Buy Now, make the payment, and the messages are added to your account instantly. No waiting, no downtime. You can start using them straight away. The best part? Message packs work hand in hand with your automation add-ons. So if you're using add-ons like Upcoming Stop Alert, One-Day Advanced Route Alert, or Completed Stop Alert, those notifications will keep sending without a hitch. They also give you flexibility. Maybe one month you only need a small boost, and the next month you need a bigger pack. You can upgrade your message pack based on your workload. And that's it. Happy routing with Zeo.